Hold up.
Welcome back guys to my channel. In this video I'm going to create cascading drop down list using 3 drop downs. So let's get started. So before starting with the whole code and all those things, I'm just gonna run the cascading drop down which I've already created. I'm going to show you how it actually works. So guys, this is how this page will look. So guys, I just want to inform you that the thing which I've created, the drop down list which I've created is purely based on cascading drop down list. I've not collected more information about states, country and all that, so don't judge me on that. So there is an India under state drop down. If anyone clicks on this drop down first as India, there will be another 3 value will be there, like Mumbai, Pune, Delhi. If anyone clicks on Mumbai, on third drop down it will be Bandra, Goregaon, Marine Lines, which are the places under Mumbai. Same goes with United States. There will be California, Nevada. Anyone clicks on California, it will load San Diego and Sierra points. So that is it, I guess. Now I'm just gonna close this and I'm going to start with coding part. I'm gonna open this in Notepad. I'm going to copy paste this much part, HTML part and array, because it will take more time to just write this much. So I'm just gonna also copy this much and I'm gonna paste it till here. So I'm gonna save this as cascading dropdown. No, cascading dropdown part 2. So guys, I've already created part 1 on this cascading dropdown where I used 2 dropdowns and the method was completely different from this one. So I'm gonna save this and now I'm gonna start with real coding. I'm just gonna close this for now and let's start window dot on load is equal to function, and after this where state cell is equal to document dot get element by ID. Here it will be this part. After this we'll copy this with this much. This will be county cell and this will be city cell, this much, and copy this one here. Now after this there will be for where state in state object, which is this array, and after this will be state cell dot options, state cell dot options dot length new capital O, the options will be state. After this, state, state cell dot on change county cell dot length is equal to 1, city cell is equal city cell dot length is equal to 1. That is, there will be if condition if this dot selected index greater than 1, then return for loop for where county in state object this dot value county cell dot option county cell dot options dot length is equal to new capital O option county and after this will be last. Now we will be calling this state cell dot on change here after this will be county cell dot on change function city cell dot length is equal to 1 if condition this dot selected index greater than 1 return and here also return. And now after this another for condition where cities is equal to state object state cell dot this dot cities dot length city cell dot option city cell dot option dot length is equal to new capital O option cities I cities with I, and that's it. Now okay, so that is it, I guess. Now we'll run this and let's check whether it is working fine or not. Okay, the page got loaded. Let's check now. So there is something. Let's inspect and let's check what is the problem. Unexpected number. Okay, there it is. Let's check. Okay, length. Here it will be equal to 1, sorry. And now I'm gonna save this. Let's run this. Let's refresh. Okay, so India. Now India. Let's click on India. There is Mumbai and there is Bandra. Let's check with United States now. Okay, California, Nevada, San Diego, and now United Kingdom. The cities which under United Kingdoms are England and Scotland. Yeah, you can see this, England and Scotland, and this, and under England there will be Cambridge, London, and Bristol. Okay, now here if we can change Scotland, we'll show Glasgow. Okay, as you can see this, guys, we have made all the changes. So as you can see this, guys, we have made the cascading drop down list using 3 drop downs. Okay, so I think that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you related, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you.